What's going on, guys? It's your boy Andy Arts, and today we are going to review the Noris Digital Jumbo Stylus Pen. Right? I'm gonna review it. I'm gonna tell you guys what this is all about. It's got an eraser. It's got a pen tip here. Why is it blurry? It's all blurred. It's got a pen tip here. I don't know why it's blurring so much. But yeah, let's go ahead and try it out. And I'm also gonna compare it to the Samsung pen, right? Hold on. I don't have the best camera here. I'm gonna compare it to the Samsung pen, right? The S Pen. And I'm gonna show you the difference because one has pressure, the other one doesn't. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start out with the S Pen, right? And I was actually doing some Avatar fan art. So the S Pen only has about like 1,000, 2,000 pressure, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my manga pen here, and we're gonna give it a black color. All right, so here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and draw a circle. All right, you can see this doesn't really have a this doesn't really have like like much pressure. It just draws, there's like almost no pressure with the S Pen. So that's what you see when you do these lines, right? When you do these straight lines, there's like no, it keeps the same weight. However, we're gonna go ahead and use the Noir, right? And let me go back here, erase all of these. All right, so we're gonna use this one now, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to draw a face. See, it's got weight. The lines start having weight. And here what I'm doing, I'm just drawing a head here. All right. And I'm gonna go like this for the chin. And here will be the eyes. It's gonna have to draw with just one hand. All right, so here I got like a, damn it, this shit looks ugly. Draw with one hand. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and draw. Right, so here it is. Right, so this one, even with this, it has line weight. It gives you line weight, similar to the right. And when you hold it down, when you press on the screen, it gives you thicker lines, right? And then when you like don't press so hard, it gives you thinner lines. So as far as pen pressure is really good, right? The pen pressure here, it is really good, right? That's what I like about this one. It's got good pen pressure. Now, what about the eraser? See, while I was using this, like the eraser kind of pissed me off. This is what I don't like about this. And although like the grip here, it is comfortable. The grip is pretty comfortable. I like the bulk of it, although I wish it was just a little bit bulky like the Wacom-1 pen. But when it comes to the eraser, right? Let's see, when I put it on the screen, it doesn't erase, right? It doesn't really erase. And this is on Clip Studio. However, if we go over to Photoshop, right? So we were using Clip Studio, now we're on Photoshop. If I go in Photoshop and I, gonna do this. All right, let's draw a face here. I'm just gonna draw a quick face. Right. Right, I just sketched that up real quick. Right, so then I take the eraser, right? We're gonna flip it. Man, why is the video so dark? Hold on. Right, so now I'm gonna flip it, and I'm gonna use the eraser So it does work. It works on Photoshop with no problem. See? It works on Photoshop with absolutely no problem. Damn it. Hold on a second, guys. I don't know what the heck is wrong with this shit. It's in the hard one, yeah. Right. Right, so it does. So the eraser works on Photoshop. Right, the eraser works on Photoshop. But it doesn't work on Clip Studio. So I guess this really is software by software. I guess I don't know why, but they really didn't, I guess, program this for Clip Studio. But it does work on Photoshop very, very well. See, the grip is kind of has like a triangular grip. I don't know if you see that, but it's in shape of a triangle. So holding it is very comfortable. Although I prefer the Wacom One over this, right? Because I don't know, I just feel like the Wacom One it's more comfortable in the hands. The triangular shape of this, although it does it is ideal for drawing. Me personally, I just like the roundness of the Wacom pen. However, some of you might like this, right? Some of you might like this. Some of you don't use Clip Studio. Hold on. Some of you don't use Clip Studio. Some of you prefer to use Photoshop, right? You prefer to use Photoshop, right? So if you use Photoshop, this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. But if you use Clip Studio, the Wacom pen is obviously better, right? So, and I'm gonna leave it at that. That really is it. Again, in the tip, when you buy it, it does come with, you know, it does come with some, like, you know, tips, some tips for you to use and install, right? So when this tip starts to, you know, like wear out, you can replace it very easily. So, you know, when you buy it, you know, it comes ready. You do not have to use Bluetooth. You don't have to use Bluetooth. It just connects. You just kind of start using it. If you have a Samsung tablet, this is perfect. I think if you use like Microsoft, like one of the Microsoft tablets, Microsoft computers, it might not connect as well. If you use like maybe like a Lenovo tablet, some other tablet aside from Samsung, you might have to connect it with Bluetooth, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's how it goes. But I think this uses the same technology as the Wacom pen. So, and Samsung is programmed with the Wacom, you know, pen technology. Therefore, it is compatible. However, with some computers, some tablets, it's not gonna go as well. So I'm just letting you guys know. This pen is really good. Again, it works better on Photoshop than it does on Clip Studio. Now, I am a Clip Studio type of person, so I will not be using this shit. I'm gonna stick with my Wacom pen. All right, so that's gonna be it for this review. I had fun reviewing this. Am I gonna keep using this? Not really. Although it does look like a pencil, when you hold it, like, I just prefer the round. I need like a round pen, because eventually this starts to, although it does fit perfectly, I just prefer a round pencil. It just, I don't know, just feels better in the hand. So go ahead and try it. I'm gonna put a link below for you guys to get a copy of this. And yeah, so if you like this video, make sure to comment below. Tell me what you think. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell for future notifications. It's your boy Andy Arts. Stay tuned for my other art videos, tech videos, and everything in the art world. It's your boy Andy Arts. Subscribe and see you guys later. Peace.